The state of Assam is absolutely normal. Our supplies are going smoothly. There is no need for any panic situation. The petrol, the diesel, even the LPG also, whatever is the demand of the customers, we are meeting 100% demands, and there is no issue at all for anybody, and whatever the government, guidelines are there, the state government issues are there, we are complying to that and meeting the 100% demand. Domestic customers are our topmost priority, and we are, going ahead with our digitization measures, the DACs, that implementations and all. So I don't foresee any kind of any issue even in the future also, because Assam has got a advantage that 4 refineries are there, their production are normal, and they have got sufficient stocks of the crude also. In fact, for the LPG, they are, they have already increased the production of LPG to meet the enhanced demands of the customers. So there is no need for any kind of, panic situation in Assam state as such. And all the petrol pumps, all the LPG distributors, all our terminals, depots, LPG plants, everything is working normally only, and the supply chain situation is very, very stable. So there is no need for any, panic.
So what are the main reasons behind the LPG shortage?
See, the LPG shortage as such for the state of Assam is not there as such, because we are meeting, even the elections were there the last week, we were meeting the enhanced demand also. But our priority is the domestic customers, that we are ensuring 100%.
Sir, you have told that there was no any shortage of LPG. So we have seen that the prices were increased. So what will you say?
See, regarding the price, I would not like to comment because it's a national decision and it is not under the purview of the state of Assam. So the government of India takes a call what is the price.
And what about the commercial supply?
The commercial supply, it started from 20%, it has already reached more than 70%. So we are giving whatever the requirements are there, and today there is no dry out situation. Whosoever is approaching, they are registering, we are sending supplies to them.
And lately there are allegations regarding black marketing of supplies.
See, that also we wanted to do. That is the reason, I have already shared the figures with you. If anybody is involved in any black marketing or hoarding, state government committee is there, OMC's committees are there, the teams are going jointly, we are raiding, we are taking actions, we are doing suspension, we are issuing show cause notice in line with our MDG guidelines, we are taking all sorts of measures so that, this diversion should not happen. And that is the reason that I am saying that DAC percentage, we have already increased the double in the last 2 months. So that is being, for everybody, for all our distributors, we are telling them time and again that all deliveries to be made through DAC, so that the refill goes to the genuine customer. It should not be diverted.
And lately there has been several allegations.